I have some other corollary markets that I'm looking
Yeah.
at.
What's the other markets?
Pahlavi, the Shah's son, who thinks he's going to be Shah all of a sudden swooping into Iran by the end of March. I'm highly skeptical that that's going to happen, especially since he's probably used to a fairly safe life of luxury in the West. I don't see him hopping into a war zone.
What's the name of the
So,
market?
will Pahlavi enter Iran by
Okay,
February
sure.
28th? It's been hovering between like 87 to 93 all morning. And I thought there would be a bigger jump in the price of yes when it's confirmed that Khamenei is dead. But it looks like that big jump didn't happen. But I think that's a solid, for me, that's a solid 10% in a month. I'll take that all day long. I don't think he's going to show up in a war zone and proclaim himself to be leader of Iran.
Sure.